The 2026 Toyota RAV4 includes a wide range of built-in systems that most owners never fully explore or understand. Beyond the basic driving experience, it contains several driver assistance, traction, camera, and connected features that are often buried in settings or not clearly explained at delivery. In this breakdown, we go through what these systems actually do and how they work based only on confirmed Toyota functionality. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 includes proactive driving assist as part of Toyota Safety Sense, designed to support smoother everyday driving rather than replace driver control. This system works using the forward-facing camera and radar to monitor traffic conditions ahead. When it detects slower vehicles, curves, or potential deceleration situations, it can apply light braking assistance or steering support to help reduce sudden or harsh driver inputs. The function is not an emergency intervention system. Instead, it operates in the background during normal driving to create smoother transitions in speed and steering, especially in stop-and-go traffic or urban driving environments. Depending on configuration and region, the level of assistance may vary through driver assistance settings, allowing the system's behavior to feel more subtle or more responsive based on preference. In daily use, this helps reduce constant acceleration and braking corrections, making longer commutes less tiring while maintaining consistent vehicle control. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 offers an available Panoramic View Monitor system on select trims to improve visibility during low-speed driving and parking. This system uses multiple exterior cameras positioned around the vehicle to generate a composite 360-degree overhead view. The display helps the driver see the vehicle's surroundings from a top-down perspective, along with additional split-angle views depending on the driving situation. It is designed specifically for parking assistance, tight maneuvering, and improving spatial awareness in areas where direct visibility is limited, such as narrow parking spaces, garages, and crowded urban environments. The system continuously updates in real time as the vehicle moves, giving a live representation of nearby obstacles and positioning relative to curbs, walls, and other vehicles. There is no officially documented feature that allows the camera image to be frozen while the vehicle is moving. The Panoramic View Monitor is intended to remain dynamic, supporting active steering and positioning rather than static viewing. On the 2026 Toyota RAV4, this system functions as a visual aid to reduce parking difficulty and improve driver confidence in low-speed, high-precision situations. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 AWD variants include Multi-Terrain Select, which provides different drive modes for varying road conditions, including Snow Mode. Snow Mode is designed to improve traction and stability on low-grip surfaces such as snow, ice, wet roads, and other slippery conditions. It works by adjusting throttle response, traction control sensitivity, and power delivery to reduce the likelihood of wheel spin during acceleration. Instead of allowing full torque delivery at launch, the system smooths initial power application so the tires can maintain grip more effectively. This helps the vehicle move off from a stop in a more controlled manner when road conditions are unpredictable. Snow Mode also works in coordination with the vehicle's stability and traction control systems to continuously monitor wheel slip and adjust power distribution as needed. This results in more predictable handling during acceleration on low-friction surfaces. Although it is primarily designed for winter conditions, Snow Mode can also be useful in heavy rain, wet asphalt, gravel, or any environment where traction is reduced. On AWD versions of the 2026 Toyota RAV4, it functions as a dedicated low-traction driving calibration mode that prioritizes stability and control over performance-based acceleration. The RAV4 includes an acoustic vehicle alerting system which produces an external sound at low speeds to alert pedestrians and nearby road users to the vehicle's presence. This system is required for hybrid and low-noise vehicles because they can operate quietly at low speeds, especially when moving in electric mode or under light engine load. The external sound ensures the vehicle remains detectable in environments such as parking lots, residential streets, and urban pedestrian areas. The sound is generated automatically when the vehicle is moving slowly and is calibrated to meet safety regulations. It is designed to be noticeable enough for awareness without being disruptive. There is no standard driver-accessible setting in the 2026 Toyota RAV4 that allows adjustment of AVAS volume or tone through normal user menus. The system is fixed by design and regulatory requirements, meaning it operates within predefined safety parameters. Its purpose is strictly pedestrian safety compliance, ensuring that the vehicle maintains an audible presence in situations where engine noise alone would not be sufficient for detection. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is equipped with intelligent clearance sonar depending on trim level and optional packages. This system uses multiple ultrasonic sensors positioned around the vehicle to assist with low-speed parking and obstacle detection. Its main function is to detect nearby objects such as walls, curbs, poles, and other vehicles, then provide audible warnings and visual indicators to help the driver avoid contact during parking or tight maneuvering. The system operates automatically at low speeds and is designed to improve spatial awareness when visibility is limited. It is especially useful in crowded parking environments where small distance misjudgments can lead to minor scrapes or bumps. However, there is no officially documented driver-accessible calibration or sensor adjustment menu within the vehicle interface. If sensor performance becomes inaccurate or inconsistent, Toyota's standard procedure involves inspection and recalibration through authorized service tools at a dealership. In normal operation, the system is designed to self-monitor within its operating limits, and faults are typically indicated through dashboard warnings rather than manual user checks. On the 2026 Toyota RAV4, intelligent clearance sonar functions as a passive safety and parking assistance system that relies on factory calibration and professional servicing when issues occur. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 also includes lane tracing assist and dynamic radar cruise control as part of Toyota Safety Sense, designed to support steering and speed control during highway driving. Lane Tracing Assist uses a forward-facing camera to detect lane markings and helps keep the vehicle centered within its lane through small steering corrections. Dynamic Radar Cruise Control manages vehicle speed and following distance by monitoring traffic ahead. When both systems are active at the same time, they work together to reduce driver workload on highways. The vehicle can maintain a set speed, adjust distance from the car ahead, and assist with lane centering simultaneously. This combined operation is especially useful in situations where driving conditions reduce lane clarity, such as highway construction zones, faded road markings, night driving, or wet weather. In these conditions, the system relies primarily on visible lane data and consistent traffic flow to maintain stable positioning. However, Toyota does not describe the system as using the vehicle ahead as a steering reference. Lane centering is based on detected lane markings, while the radar system is used for speed and distance control only. The combination of both systems results in smoother and more consistent highway driving assistance, reducing the need for frequent manual steering and speed adjustments. The RAV4 includes connected services, features that can store and display driving-related data through the Toyota app and in-vehicle systems, depending on trim and region. One of the key functions is Drive Recorder, which can capture short video clips of driving events using the vehicle's built-in cameras, typically triggered by events such as sudden braking, impact detection, or manual activation, where supported. In addition to video recording, Toyota Connected Services can also provide driving-related summaries depending on subscription and system availability. This may include trip history, driving time, and basic vehicle usage information accessible through the mobile app. The system is primarily designed for incident documentation, security support, and insurance-related purposes, rather than detailed driving behavior analysis or coaching. Recorded footage and data are typically stored for a limited period or overwritten over time depending on system configuration and storage capacity. These connected features function as part of Toyota's broader digital ecosystem, combining onboard recording capability with app-based access to support post-drive review when needed. Thank you for watching.